Good morning, teacher and classmates. Today I want to tell you about a day when everything went wrong. First, my day started very well. I talked to my girlfriend. I ate breakfast and I made friends to plantain chips with eggs. Then I cooked a delicious caldo bowl for my mother. Everything was great and felt very happy, very ready. Okay. Next, I got to ready to go to university because my class started at 2 p.m. When I left my house, I almost forgot my wallet. I quickly went back with about to took it because I need my driver license and motorcycle, motorcycle documents. With whom then I can ready my motorcycle. Then I looked at the time. It was already 1:20 p.m. So I rode my motorcycle very fast because I didn't want to be late until I eat a big food. Dirty water splashes on my blue pants and my shorts. My pants were very dirty, but it didn't have time to clean them. After already at university at 1:50 p.m., there was long a time and entrance thought I had to what I thought. Oh no, what if I really late? Luckily, I entered on time and my teacher took an attendance. Then I another problem. My class already made groups and didn't have a group look and group accept me. We work together and finish our programming activity. Finally, I went to the music rehearse. My array lay but the rehearse was very good. I didn't eat lunch all day. So I arrived home at about 7 p.m. very hungry. I was a busy day, but everything in idn't well. I learned that even about die can have a heavy ending. Have you ever heard die like this? Thank you for listening. Goodbye.